are live at the Microsoft Ignite conference today, and I am here with a special guest. And
Abhishek.
all right, and we would first like to ask you why your company decided to come to the Microsoft Ignite.
Oh, so thanks for having me here. I'm here to attend on behalf of my company, Royal Cyber. We are a Gold Solution, Microsoft Gold Solutions partner and specialize in data and AI solutions. So we are having a booth here. We are trying to demonstrate how Copilot and enterprise AI agents and Microsoft Data Fabric. Basically, they were the talking points of the show. Satya, paid a lot of emphasis on this. So we are the deployment partners for this. We're helping clients with ROI-centric deployments and happy to help our customers.
Well, that is a lot, and thank you so much because that made it a lot more easier. So my next question is, how do you see AI benefiting your industry?
Okay, so as I said, we are the AI deployment partner. So I think all of our clients come with various requirements like they want, for example, chatbots to help their employees with their HR queries, creating IT related systems, or maybe just leveraging all their knowledge base and everything.